intend to write to the Auditor General of Jamaica to do an audit, of the benefits that are coming to Eastern St. Thomas. Since they don't want to give me the true thing, I am writing the Auditor General, and that is going to be on the agenda. The other thing that they have done, comrades, they have refused to do anything about roads in this constituency. You remember very well when we check up during our time, I fixed over 50 roads in this constituency. All the hillside roads for farmers. And today we have the worst main roads anywhere in the country. So now we'll start to turn up the temperature. We'll start to turn up the temperature. And when the temperature starts to turn up, I hope that you can bear it. Because I know that you are ready. Are you ready, comrade? Are you ready, comrade? Are you ready, comrade? Are you ready, comrade?
And when we spoke about cheap, the Prime Minister run because the bus engine failed. When our cheap engine is strong, it is an all-weather Jeep. It has spare tires, new spare tires. It has strong engine. It can climb any hill. Go by any rock. Go through any river. And we're going to use that Jeep and separate the Chelsea River. I want to say to all the young people here, do not give up on your dreams, your hopes and restoration. And I want to say to your parents, you are a critical part of the Jeep. Because you young people, you are the future leaders and the future of this country. We want to ensure that our policies have all the Jamaican people at the heart and the center of development of this country.
Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong. No one can stop you, oh yeah. Rise to the occasion, go ahead, you know you're strong.
Comrades, the National Youth Service that used to help a lot of young people, one for youth. And the wellness, cut it. Cut it. And the wellness, cut it. And I got the man there. You are the Prime Minister. Who is the next Prime Minister of Jamaica? Who is the next Prime Minister of Jamaica? Who can do it?
It's for you to make the best in the life. Now that you've got the chance, get up and step towards your goal inside.
I hear a little ladies around, moving around. Our father came. He came and he took the honey. And I am now told that she has come to take the corn. And the people of St. Thomas is saying, no way. I send her to England. I buy a Trump. I spent £284 And I'm sending it to Andrew Holness for the cabinet to pack the truck. I believe every one of you out here know that life 4 years ago was better than it is now. Whether you check with the condition in your school, whether you check the condition of the hospital or the health center, whether you check for your own kitchen table, and the food and the cost of the food, whether you check work, who did have work 4 years ago and have none now. In every area of life we know that them people can't cross it. The Jamaica Labour Party cannot cross it.
I make my decision. This you got to understand, that we must all live as one. So many times we have been victimized, and so many times they try to criticize by scandaling and plunder our name, trying to bring another life to shame. But we not play the game. Together we suck the cup once more, 'cause we are one big family, living in a harmony. Yes, we are one big family, living.
I don't know why you trick the people. Hold on, I don't know why you trick the people. The poor people now lift up the big trail line and the big book. And the poor people do them thing there. Don't trick the people up. Don't trick the people up.
Now we're going to talk now about change. The last time the GMP said change, it happened, but it changed for the worse. The People's National Party as an institution, historically, is the party for change. It's the party for positive change.
Do not be fooled, because when you have to go to the hospital and you wait from 9 o'clock in the morning until clinic closed, and you just get one prescription and the pharmacy locked, and you have to sit down on the bench, do not believe the slogan of free health care.
I want you to look on this man beside me. This is a courageous man. This man don't have to worry when him go airport. Him just show him passport and him visa and him jump and him fly. This man not under any investigation for anything, not under any investigation for conspiracy to murder or anything like that. You have an upright, a righteous, a candidate with integrity. Comrades, this man not hurting the people of Western St. Thomas. He's going to build it because he comes here, one of you, and he only has the interests of the righteous people of St. Thomas at heart.